To the fight over the controversial SAFETY Act. Arguments began today in the Illinois Supreme Court over whether the elimination of cash bail is legal.
And WGN's Jenna Barnes has been following the hearing for us with the very latest now. Jenna?
Yeah, guys, this case that impacts every county in the state is now in the hands of the Supreme Court. The arguments today centering on whether the SAFETY Act takes away the power of judges to set pretrial conditions.
We need an answer, and that's why we're before the High Court.
The Illinois Supreme Court weighing the constitutionality of the Pretrial Fairness Act, the part of the SAFETY Act that eliminates cash bail. The High Court is hearing the case after a Kankakee County judge ruled at the end of December that the General Assembly's end of money bond was unconstitutional. Arguments before the 7 justices Tuesday focused on whether state lawmakers have the authority to make such sweeping changes to pretrial procedures.
The legislature has been acting on pretrial detention for decades.
Attorney General Kwame Raoul arguing the legislature already has the power to set minimum and maximum sentences, and he says getting rid of cash bail is in line with the state constitution.
There's no language in the Constitution that says you have to have monetary bail.
But the group of prosecutors and sheriffs challenging the SAFETY Act argue judges need to be able to set bail as a tool in their toolbox to ensure defendants show up for trial.
The courts have to have the ability to control in cases of violence, and that's our main concern here.
And there are states' attorneys who fall in the middle, watching this case closely.
Very much for the elimination of cash bail, because I don't think cash bail does what it used to do. And we've seen it hurt people who are of lower income, but we've also seen it doesn't keep our community safe because people have the money to bond out on horrific offenses.
But Kane County State's Attorney Jamie Mosser says she has a problem with the manner in which it was implemented because it takes away judicial authority.
I'm very concerned with the restrictions and limitations that were put in on a judge's ability to hold people and the state's attorney's ability to even ask for a person to be held if we believe they're a danger or flight risk.
The court there hasn't given a timeline on when we can expect an opinion, but Mosser is hopeful it could come as early as next month. The lawyers arguing against the elimination of cash bail guys say they aren't opposed to bail reform, but they want to put it on the ballot and let voters decide.
Yeah, there's got to be a middle ground somewhere in there. We'll see.
Right.
Okay. Jenna Barnes, thank you.